Namaste everyone. Today is a special day, a day dedicated to show love between brothers and sisters. Yes, you guessed it right. Today is Bhai Phota or Bhai Dooj. You're watching me on Roop's Life and Lifestyle. If you're new to this channel, do consider subscribing just now. Hit the bell notification and the subscribe button. You will get connected to my loving Roop's Life and Lifestyle family. Today is a special day for me as well. Today is Diwali Dhamaka. Today I reached 400 subscribers milestone. Thank you so much for your love and support. Keep watching today's video. Now we are headed towards my sister-in-law's house, Doladi, whom we all lovingly called Choddi. Choddi lives in South Kolkata. So on our way, we are able to catch up on a lot of lighting, decorations and puja pandals. We have reached and the building looks so beautiful, adorned with lights.
Arman, Google,
আরমান হচ্ছে পাপড়ি দিশার ঠিক মাঝখানে পাপড়ি থেকে
হ্যাঁ।
একটা বড় দিশা থেকে
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
Okay, the focus now shifts from me to the central characters of the video, the brother and sister duo.
Thank you.
Okay, the ritual is now over. A special mishti platter for the brother. See, Bhai Phota is written in Bengali. Specially ordered for the brothers. Gifts being exchanged, I wish I too had a brother. I know Choddi for the last 15 years and she's a very, very endearing person. I say this not because she is my sister-in-law, but trust me when I say she's truly a good human being, a very, very nice person. Over to you, Choddi, the most gorgeous lady in our family. What are your thoughts on Bhai Phota?
Bhai Phota, I feel, is a very beautiful age-old ritual that we've been practicing for very long, and it's for the long life of our brothers, praying for their well-being. We pray for our brothers' long life every single day. We pray for their happiness, their longevity. But on this special day, we have a beautiful ritual with sweets, and we light the lamp, and we bless our younger brother, pray for our elder brother's long, happy life. As for Chitrashen, he's a very special one. He's my youngest brother, and I have a lot of love and affection for him. And I think it's mutual, because
I agree.
he also looks up to me, and he kind of depends on me for a lot of things, which I enjoy. I'm almost, a mother figure for him. So it's a very special bond that we share. I always wish him the very best.
Also, you give such unbiased opinions about everything that even I take advice from you, and I truly trust your advice and your suggestions. Thank you so much, Choddi. Let this festive season usher in health and happiness for all my viewers. On this note, let's wrap it up for today. If you love your siblings, do give it a thumbs up. Till next time, take care and lots of love. Bye.